Hello guys, we are back in another Pace WYN pack opening. We've not done it in a long time, so let's just get straight into it. Ooh, there are decent packs. Okay, I see. Okay, so we are going to first open this tactical pack. Looks decent. Hope it is decent. We've opened it. It's French. It's left wing. Who could that be? Lally. Oh, that's Griezmann. That's 99 rated Griezmann. Yep, that's already a great start. I'm not taking that. That's a great start. And we get Russell, Son, and Cruyff in the pack. Good pack. Second pack. It's Portuguese. It is right midfielder. It is Monaco. And that is Gelson Martins. That is a nice card. And Yarmolenko, Gonzalo Guet, and Casillas all in the pack. Okay. We're gonna open this pick, 1.5 mil. Oh, come on, that's not fair. It's a bit expensive that's rubbish for a 1.5 million. Alright, let's open some 50s packs. Again, they're probably going to be terrible. Is that Neymar? 98? Nah, that's insane. Oh, I like that. And Abraham in the same pack as well. That's outstanding. Good pack. Oh, it's no walkout. Oh, that's not great. Oh, it's just his base footies. That's boring. This time it's a walkout. That could be Cuadrado. Striker. Zapata. It's Zapata. 95 Zapata. And Dembele in the pack. No walkout. Oh, that's not great. Alexander Pato. Used to be a legend. Yeah.